help you prepare for this 10-lesson study of Revelation, we provide clear instructions including photocopies to make, items to gather for both students and teacher, step-by-step pre-class preparations. The 67-page lesson plan has clear do, say, read conversational wording that can be read or adapted. It is written so that you can stop at any point and pick up right where you've left off. Review sections are clearly marked and can be skipped or moved to suit your needs. The 7 seal, trumpet, and bowl judgments are printed in large type for easy reading, with instructions on how to display them to garner student interest. Students each receive 3 pages of Pictures of Revelation, beautifully designed rectangles, which students will cut out and glue onto their worksheets as each of the seal, trumpet, and bowl judgments are unveiled. A 2-sided program, photocopied back-to-back and folded, allows students to visualize the timeline of the events in Revelation. 10 high-quality worksheet pages and a colorful cover can be combined to create student packets and include New Jerusalem, where students color in a cube along with the teacher based on the Revelation text. Signs and secret codes, where pairs of students draw an ichthus, an early Christian symbol and code, that leads students into a discussion of John's coded messages and Revelation. Chain of events, which challenges students to summarize what each piece of the picture represents using exactly 5 words. Great White Throne Judgment and the Judgment Seat of Christ, a clear, colorful flowchart, helps students understand the differences.